Hello, welcome back to Low English Dictionary. My name is Nikki.
And my name is Agina.
Make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you never miss a video that we post
When we post. Today's video is about Luo words that begin with the letter A. So we'll start with the word Abama.
Abama.
Abama. Abama means twisted.
Twisted.
So you can say Osuko wiye Abama.
Osuko wiye Abama.
That means she's plaited her hair in twisted fashion. Abich.
Abich.
What is Abich?
5.
5. Abich is 5. Abila.
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 Abila is a small hut. You know, like house. So there is a hut that has a grass-thatched roof. So Abila is a small hut. It is built. Usually, it's built sometimes to keep watch. If you have a farm, you can build a small hut at the edge of the farm so that you can watch over your crops or your animals. But sometimes it's built in the home. So that's Abila.
Abila.
Yes. Abiriyo. What is
Abiriyo.
Abiriyo?
7.
7, correct. Aboka.
Aboka.
Aboka is boiled. So if you have peanuts or groundnuts and you want to boil them, you say njugumar aboka.
Njugumar aboka.
That means boiled peanuts, okay? Or if you want to boil maize, corn, odumamar aboka.
Odumamar aboka.
So aboka Abuga means it has been boiled without putting anything, okay? Abong'o.
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 Abong'o is a bracelet. Usually it's made out of leather. A bracelet made out of leather. The leather is maybe from a goat or a cow. So it's a bracelet made out of leather. It's called Abong'o.
Abong'o.
The other thing is abu.
Abu.
Now, abu is an instrument. It's made from calabashes with the largest at the bottom and a waterback horn as a mouthpiece. It is used to announce important occasions such as death of important persons in the society. Abu is a very traditional instrument, so we don't really have them right now. But I think maybe someone can post a picture of it if you have. So if you're blowing the trumpet, if you're blowing the abu, you say goyo abu.
Goyo abu.
That's the action of blowing the abu. Abuba.
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 Abuba is a disease called gonorrhea. Abula.
Abula.
Abula is roasted.
Roasted.
Yes. So if you have meat or goat meat and you want roasted goat meat, you say diend abula.
Diend abula.
Or diang abula.
Diang abula.
So that means I need roasted meat or roasted beef. Abururu.
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 Abururu is a waterfall.
A waterfall.
Yes, waterfall is Abururu.
Abururu.
Acham.
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 Acham is left-handed. Remember Achwich. You know Achwich? Achwich is right-handed. Acham is left-handed. Nyathino tiyo gi bade mar acham.
Nyathino tiyo gi bade mar acham.
That means the kid is using her left hand. So acham, left hand. Achwich, right hand. Achaye.
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 That's disregard, or if you disrespect. That is called Achaye.
Achaye.
Nyathino nigi achaye.
Nyathino nigi achaye.
That means that kid has a lot of disrespect. Achiel.
Achiel
is
1.
Achola.
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 Achola is a name given to the first child who is conceived by an inherited wife after the husband's death. In the naming convention, there is Achola and Achola. Achuth.
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 Achuth is a type of bird which is called a vulture. Vulture. You know vulture?
Yeah.
Yes, Achuth. You put a vulture here, somewhere. This is Achuth, right here.
Achuth.
Yes. Adek.
Adek.
Adek is what?
3.
3. Adir.
Adir.
What's adir? Truthfulness. Watch adir.
Watch adir.
Say the truth. Watch adir. Agoro.
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 Agoro is a flying ant. So usually we eat them.
Oh, those ones.
Yes, those things that we eat. It's a flying ant, okay? Agulu.
Agulu.
What's agulu?
Dancing?
Uh-oh. Agulu is a pot.
A pot.
Yes, agulu is a pot which is used for storing, for cooking or things, putting in water, you know, putting in meat. Ajuoga.
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 What's ajuoga?
Like
A witch doctor.
Witch doctor.
Yeah, you're almost saying the same thing, but a curse is, I've forgotten. But Ajuoga is a witch doctor. Okay? Also, Ajuoga would be a doctor. Yes, like the real name of a doctor in Luo is Ajuoga.
Ajuoga.
Yes. Good, and that's it.
Okay, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure you give it a like, subscribe to our channel. You can find all our platforms at Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Patreon, and YouTube as Luo English Dictionary. For now, Oriti, goodbye.